Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change air filter in Infiniti QX60. Open the hood and locate the air box on the passenger side. Start by removing clips or screws holding the cover and lift it straight up to expose the filter. Compare the old and new filters for the airflow direction, then insert the new panel filter. Reseat the cover, fasten all clips or screws securely, and give everything a final visual check before closing the hood. Gather a new panel air filter, a flathead or Phillips screwdriver, and clean gloves before you start. Park on level ground, set the parking brake, and let the engine cool. Removing debris around the air box first helps avoid dirt falling into the intake. If clips are stuck, apply gentle penetrating spray, and waiting a few minutes can loosen them. Keep the old filter for comparison and inspect the intake for damage. Release the clips or remove screws securing the air box, cover, and lift it carefully to expose the filter. Note the airflow arrow on the old filter so you can install the new filter in the same direction. Wipe the housing with a clean cloth, then place the new filter seat perfectly and replace the cover aligning all tabs. Fasten clips or screws snugly but avoid over-tightening, then start the engine and listen for odd sounds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.